Hey second graders, I want to show you the activity that you're going to do today. What you need are some different containers that you find around the house. I tried to find transparent material so you could see the water easily, but you don't have to have clear containers. You could have plastic, you could use a pot or a pan. You'll want to have some paper towels in case there's any spills, and then you need to make sure that you fill one of your smallest container with some water. So the goal today is to see how liquids take the shape of the container that they're in, depending on the jar or the pan that you put the liquid in. It's going to take the shape of that. So we're going to start here with this medium-sized jar, and you can see that I've colored the water green just so we can see it a little bit easier. And then I'm going to pour this into one of my other containers. Let me pour it into this. Now you'll notice that the liquid is a different shape. It's very spread out. In fact, it looks like there's even less liquid that I have. But remember, it's the same amount of liquid, it just looks differently because it's in a different container that's spread out. So now I'm going to take this container and pour the liquid into my very tall vase. And we're going to see, does the liquid keep the same shape or not? Looks different, doesn't it? And then I have a third glass. This one's a smaller glass. Let's see what happens here. So I'm going to hold it next to it. Let's see. Now remember, when I had the liquid in the vase, it looked like the water was about here. Now the water looks like it's much higher. Did I add more water to it? No, it's just that this cup that I have is smaller in size, so it looks like it's filled much higher with the water. Now, the reason I have this little measuring cup, I didn't need it, but depending on the containers that you have, it maybe would be easier for you to scoop the water out and pour it into a container. I just had this nearby in case I needed it, but in my activity today, I didn't need it. So I hope you have fun looking for some different containers and filling them with water to see how the liquid, the water changes depending on the container that it's in. Hope you have fun.